honestly, it took me to get in rare form. It took me about 4 years. About 4, because before the physique change, it took a while to get my mind together first, my sleep and my diet together first, before my physique came. You got to get your lagging indicators in check to get to the main goal. I've said this a few times. Lagging indicators mean all the tools to help you complete the job, if that makes sense. So if you have a nice physique, you got to make sure your mental is together. You got to make sure your food is together. You got to make sure your spiritual is together. You got to make sure your diet is together. Make sure the workout's together. Then the physique came. So it took all those lagging indicators a long time. Now, if I could have got those in order faster, I would have got the physique faster. But because those weren't in order in time, it took me a longer time for me to obtain the physique that I was hoping and wishing and trying to get to. So your lagging indicators are a big portion of for you to get to the physique that you want. Because the goal is here, like my shirt says, live long and look good. That's what I want to do. I want to look as good as possible to me and my lady. My lady here, shout out to you. She fine. I just had to give a pause for her, just real talk. And then I want to live long because I want to be here a long time. So I always have to stop out of these workouts for anybody that's super chat, especially Mr. Saint, to go and give you a thorough answer to your question, because I don't play around with people's pockets. And I hope that answer was sufficient to you, and salute to you, sir. Appreciate you. All right. Coleman rocking a Marifo. You already know, Cardio King. Preach to him, bro. You already know, boss. We're a rare form over here. Saint with the big salute. I'm glad that helped, boss. Really appreciate you. You know the vibes, Cardio King. Let's go and get last set. Set 5. Let's get these last chin-ups in. Slightly closer than your shoulders. And we pulling. Feel good. Feeling good, y'all. We got a minute and a half. Minute and a half. We got our last exercise. Last exercise, because this is day one. Day one of 4 weeks. Pull, push, legs. Exclusive program for Calisthenics Workout Complex members who are the tier of the mob. This live will not be live. Once it's over, it will go private and only for the members of the channel, so they can take notes and they can be able to watch this workout, so you can be able to see every single tip, all the tips, and how the workout goes. So letting you guys know, people will get maybe some clips of this, but they will not get the full gist of this workout until they join the membership. Appreciate everybody, man. We got one more